Hello happy family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious fried fish. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need tilapia, or you can use any preferred fish of your choice. So next you're going to wash this fish really well. So I really love adding vinegar and lemon juice because it cleans the fish very well, and that's what you need. So you can also get this from any grocery shop or grocery store near you. So just make sure that you get all your gloves on because this fish has a very strong smell and you don't want that. So just go ahead and clean this fish really well. So let's go ahead and remove all the paint and everything, and when you're done we're just gonna start by seasoning this fish. Like I said, friends, you can use any fish that you really want to use. You don't have to use tilapia. So next, we're gonna start seasoning the fish. You can use any preferred seasoning that you have in your pantry. This is what I actually have in mine, and that is what I am using. But if you want to find some, I'm showing you the bottle and everything so you can find some. Alright, so next I'm adding here some salt, and after you're all done, make sure that you mix them really well. So as you can see, I am shaking it right here. It's easier if you don't want to put on gloves, but if it does not work, you can always use gloves and to season that, okay? So when you're done, just set it aside. So I'm using cooking oil. You can use any preferred oil of your choice, and I'm throwing here a few herbs that I really love, and I listed them in the screen so you can find them as well. So next we're gonna start frying our fish. Looks so good, smell beautiful. I really want you guys to try this recipe at home because it's just easy and very delicious. So after you're done adding all your fish, I'm gonna be adding extra spicy. So I really like my fish very spicy, but if you don't like it, you can skip this part. And I'm adding a few cloves of garlic and onion. This fish smells so good. So I let it cook for about 5 minutes, and I'm just gonna turn it around so I can cook the other side for extra 5 minutes, and this fish will be done. See friends, it is so easy, and what I really like about this fish, you can eat with rice, anything that you prefer, potatoes, or you can just enjoy it as hot as it is. Look how perfect this fish came out. It looks really delicious and very yummy. I hope you guys truly enjoy this recipe. Alright friends, I really had an amazing time cooking today, and if you are a fish lover, I'm gonna say that try this recipe and leave me some comments down there. Let me know how yours turn out because I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Make sure that you have all your jollof rice, wache, and kenke ready because this fish is about to go down. If you truly enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to share for us, and also don't forget to like. So I'll see you again. Stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day. Bye friends.